Hazrat Mujahid bin Jabr has reported, on the day of the conquest of Makkah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary right on the day He Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth. So it is sanctuary till the day of resurrection. For Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made it a sanctuary. It was not made lawful to fight therein for anyone before me, nor will it be made lawful for anyone after me. But it was made lawful for me for a while. So neither its game must be chased after, nor its thorn be lopped off, nor its grass be mowed, nor its pine be picked up, except for announcing it publicly. Whereupon Hazrat Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accept idkhir, for it is required by the blacksmiths and at homes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent for a while. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Okay, accept idkhir, for it is lawful. Ibn Jurayj Abdul Karim Ikrimah has reported in the similar way from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, and Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu has reported the same from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4313.